Number of 0 in a polynomial means for which how many values of the variable the polynomial becomes 0. So यहाँ पे क्या देख रहा हूं हम लोग, ये दोनों वैल्यू जो है x equals to 3 और x equals to 2, ये दो वैल्यू के लिए ये पॉलिनोमियल का वैल्यू 0 हो रहा है. तो कितना वैल्यू है वेरिएबल का जिसके लिए ये पॉलिनोमियल 0 हो रहा है, वही नंबर ऑफ 0 इन अ पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज द algebraic expression. Now I'll show you how to find out 0 of a polynomial, how to find out the number of 0 in a polynomial from a graphical representation where you will not be given any equation, just from the graph you need to tell. Okay, see this graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, right? Now this is a parabola. This is a graphical representation of a polynomial of x, right? You are asked to find out the number of 0 from the graphical representation. It could be MCQ, multiple choice question. Mostly it comes as a multiple choice question. What is the number of 0? Because it's a polynomial of x, p of x. That means a polynomial of x. So x is the independent, that is x the variable, and px, that is the dependent variable, right? Function of x, right? So now for how many number of values of x the polynomial px becomes 0? What does it mean? Px is the graph, this graph. The value of the polynomial px, that means it is y. Px means it's a function of x. Since it's polynomial, we are writing like this p of x. Otherwise we write like this y equals to fx. Y is a function of x. So here p is a function of x, right? So for how many values of x y becomes 0, p becomes 0 or y becomes 0, that means for which value y is 0, for how many times y is 0, we can see from this graph. This is the point, this is one time, right? This is for once, this is the point where y equals to 0, px equals to 0, right? So here px equals to 0. So number of 0 here, it is, you can be given given multiple choice 1, 4, 0, 3, some or does not exist. So here it is 1. Number of zeros, it is 1. Let's say the graph is moving like this. So how many times? And this is px and this is px. So how many times it is px, value of px is 0? There are 4 points we can see from the given graphical representation. What are those? This is one, this is second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one. So these 4 points, the value of y is 0 where it is intersecting x-axis. That means here the number of zeros will be 4. So either it will be asked to find out the number of zeros or 0. If it is asking to find out the 0 polynomial, then definitely an equation will be given. If it is asking to find out the number of 0 in a polynomial, it could be either from the algebraic expression or from the graphical representation. Understood? If it is saying polynomial of y, p of y, that means there the y is the independent variable. Let's say this is another graphical representation. Don't get confused. Always you need to see which is the independent and which is the dependent. If it is saying instead of px, it is saying p of y, that means y is the independent variable. It is a polynomial of y. From here, if it is asked from here find out the zeros of the polynomial, that means for which value of y the polynomial becomes 0. So for which value of y x is 0. So that means here you have two polynomials for where x equals to 0. This is along the y-axis. Earlier it was like this. It is p of x. Here it is p of y. So when it is p of x, polynomial of x, how many values of x, px becomes 0, that means y becomes 0. Here it is polynomial of y, that means for how many values of y, x becomes 0, because it is an x and y axis it is given. So it is, everything is in terms of x and y. So for how many values of y, the x becomes 0. py, x equals to py. Here it is x equals to py. X is a function of y. Here it is y is a function of x, polynomial of x. Got it? So here if it may be asked like this, p of y, then you don't get confused. You just understand p of y means polynomial of y. That means y is the independent variable. So for which value of y the polynomial becomes 0 means for which value of y x becomes 0. That means along the y-axis it is intersecting y-axis twice, these 2 points. These 2 points, that means there are 2 number of 0 in this polynomial. And here it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 number of zeros in the polynomial where it is px in this graphical representation. Got it? So I hope you understand the concept for these 4, and most of the cases you will get question in your CBSE board exam or ICSE board exam. This is a very important topic. Just to understand, you can solve any question in this regard. So if you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you want to have this kind of video or you want to see this kind of class again and again and to get the notification, please subscribe my YouTube channel Debs Learning Hub, and the same in this Debs Learning Hub you follow the my Facebook page. Thank you very much.